Hey, what's going on? I am back for another unboxing. I have a name tag on. I don't think I've ever said my name on any unboxings, but my name is Dave. And well, for today's unboxing, I actually got another cookie sheet or aluminum sheet pan. And I'm saying this because the other week I actually unboxed a baking sheet or pan or what have you, and it ended up being too big for my oven. So I live in an apartment in New York City, and I guess I don't have a standard size oven. I think I have like a mini oven or something, some type of joke like that. But anyways, the previous one I had was a Nordic Ware natural aluminum commercial baker's big sheet. Cost me $18.95. The big sheet size was too big for my little oven. So now I sent that back, and now I have this one, which is the New Star Foodservice 36862 commercial 18 gauge aluminum sheet pan, 13 by 18 by 1 inch. Now I did measure the inside of my oven. Actually, I lied. I did not do that. What I had done, I remember sticking the previous sheet in, and it was about 1 or 2 inches too big. So then I did the math. And I said if I order this one, it'll actually fit. So this thing, as I said, 13 by 18 by 1, $12.97 on Amazon. It's also on Amazon's choice, so it's recommended. It says quality, commercial grade, 18 gauge bakeware is made of pure aluminum, which will never rust for a lifetime of durability. Multi-use, more than a sheet pan, used for your cinnamon rolls, sticky buns, yeast rolls, brownies, cornbread, cookies, and fruit cobblers. I don't think I'll be actually using this for any of those, but who knows? You never know. Sadly, as I'm filming this video right now, I'm actually cooking on the George Foreman grill that I unboxed the other day. I haven't been using the oven too much, but I'm starting to. Cook some salmon. What else have I cooked in it or baked in it? I don't know. I'm forgetting. Oh, maybe like fries, tater tots, stuff like that. Important to note, this says hand wash only. What else? Let me scroll down the page. I mean, I basically bought it as usual because it's on the cheaper side. It had pretty good reviews. 4.3 out of 5 stars. Number 1 in bakeware sets. Number 4 in baking and cookie sheets. It's been listed since 2013 on Amazon. So this is a part that's usually pretty good to know. I'm just going through the Q&A part on the page on Amazon. The top question is 13 by 9 the outside dimensions or the usable space? Thanks a lot. The outside dimensions are 13 by 9.5. The usable flat dimensions are 11.75 by 8.25. The sidewalls rise about 1 inch above the flat inner surface. Anyways, I'm going to open this up, and it looks pretty legit to me. I don't know. There's some fingerprints on it. I don't know if they're my fingerprints because I just opened the thing, but yeah, it's nice. It's pretty sturdy. Let's see what else. Really quick. Top review. Great sheet. But this is for the 15 by 21 size. After initially searching for silicone mats for our cheap tiny baking sheets, I decided I want to buy new sheets, mats, blah, blah, blah. Searched and searched, read about these things warping, blah, blah, blah. This guy says him and his wife are stoked. Let me look up the warping part, because that's the thing that people always look. Wire reinforced beaded rim helps prevent warping. Yeah, anti-warping properties. Question 2 actually was, has anyone had a warping issue or rust issue with this pan? Thanks. Winky, smiley, emotive, not emoji, but whatever. Like that symbol. Anyways, no problems thus far. We use the pans daily, and you shouldn't have any issues as long as you don't use cooking spray, such as Pam, on them. It removes the finish on the pans. So I'm actually really glad I read that. No cooking spray. Anyways, that's it for this unboxing. I get a pretty cool package tomorrow. It's one of my more expensive unboxings. I don't know if I'll actually get to unbox it tomorrow, but soon, because I've been waiting for this. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. I will seriously start doing actual reviews soon. I think I will pony up and get a better camera and mic eventually too. So thanks to the 77 people that subscribe. Thanks to anyone that's watched more than one of my videos. I promise I'm slowly working my way up. All right, thanks.